enlightening, but it's okay. Let's go find a good spot.
We have a few boats around to feed, and Lisa has never tasted a grouper. So grouper it is, people. So we're off to look in some holes and tunnels. Oh, poor grouper. I'm going to sneak up and ambush her. I feel bad already, people.
Let's check out here. Well, when these waves behave themselves, should be good.
Now, because my eyes are a bit lower than the GoPro, I could see a tail flick that disappeared, although you can't really see it on the still. I reckon I'm onto something. I'll have to be a real sneaky bastard. I'm taking my time here because this fish is a bit bigger than what I am after. You know me, people. The fish has to be just right, so I'll let it be. Ha! Just kidding. Lisa the bear would have fleeced me alive if I came back without grouper. Sorry, fish.
Beautiful. Okay, it's a medium-sized grouper. Certainly too much for me and Lisa, but we're gonna share it with 2 other boats. But we're still gonna eat all of it. I'm gonna particularly enjoy eating the head. I can't wait, and also I hope it's got the fat. There's all these like cilia, not cilia, but like spaghetti, fat spaghetti in the belly. Oh, it is unreal, people. And you might have roe, and we'll eat obviously everything, and of course we're going to barbecue the carcass. That's my favourite. All right, let's get into it. He's eaten recently. Let's check out what he's eaten. Looks like a little triggerfish. Actually, I think that's a leather jacket. Let's just see if he's cooked. You might be able to eat some of it. Leather jacket's really good to eat, even without being in the stomach. Cooked in the stomach of the thing, but let's try it. Yeah, it's hasn't been pickled enough, so this guy's only been eaten, I don't know, poor fella, maybe within the last couple of hours, so it's not really pickled, so we'll let it be. And see this, people? That's fat, and it's so good on the barbecue. So I'm going to be really careful about that, because that's precious. That is to die for. Absolutely, look at that. Beautiful. All this is hard work, and I'm getting quite a hunger, so I'm just going to cut that out and eat the heart. It's not beating anymore. No. It's really good. Tastes like oyster. Oh. There's another little snack. It's the liver. Liver is one of the best parts of the fish. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the colour. Liver and heart. I feel like a cat. Don't they put that in cat food? Bloody cats, they get the best. Now when I fillet, I'm not too fussed about how good the fillet is because I eat the carcass, and a little bit more flesh on the carcass is kind of good. So don't go criticising. Okay, nice slap. There's a lot of meat in the head. We're going to cut it in two and spread it apart. That's right, people. Got invited on another boat. This is the grouper, and I'm not sure what it is. We'll find out in due course.
It's a Moroccan style fish in the oven.
Ah, that's Laran. This is his boat, and Julieta.
Hi.
How good is this? Oh, I like sharing my fish. It's great. What do you think?
It's amazing.
That'll do for the time being.
Wow, I love grouper. I love grouper, man.
This is looking
You know,
good.
I caught like 4 jacks yesterday night. I kept them alive. In the morning, I cleaned them. I made a fillet for schnitzels. Then you came with the grouper.
What do you think of Moroccan?
Amazing. Something we can have.
Excellent. Bon appetit. Just doing the editing here, people. As you can see, hard at it. And this frig, I thought it was a bat. So bloody big. But it's a moth. He came flying right in front of my face, and then he's over there. Let's go check it out. Wow, look at the colours. You are amazing, moth. You are amazing. Look at the tail. Look at the colours on the tail. You're one good looking moth. Well, it came to the wrong boat. This is the least good looking boat in the anchorage. You come to the wrong boat, mate. This is the lacking boat, and you're too pretty for this boat. So go on, off you go. Go find a nice catamaran. Come on. Wow. Anyway, nature, it's a wonderful thing. It's amazing. The colours, just amazing. Anyway, I've got to get back to editing because, you know. Alright, we got lots of people to feed. We're going to have bread and grouper, and I think they're going to do some other grouper, or we'll probably have the leftovers from the lunch that we just had. Looking forward to it.
I hope the bread doesn't go all black.
Really? Well, you're going to be in charge of it.
No, you're going to be in charge of it.
Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't the deal. I make the dough, you're in charge of the fire.
I don't recall any deal. It was ambiguous. On purpose.
I made the deal. In my head.
Looks like we'll be eating dough, people.
You're just gonna have to agree with
You
it.
like the dough. You like eating dough.
Well, not with this flour.
Oh, okay. Well,
Flour is terrible.
yeah, it is.
They have terrible flour here.
They do. Everything in this place, everything is third class. The roll oats are third class, fruits third class. Oh, except for the stuff that they actually produce themselves. And the flour, oh my goodness, I don't even know how they... I think it's just mopped up from the floor. We've got bread in here, people. got good company. Loran, and I forgot, what's your name?
Cesar. Cesar from Uruguay.
Oh, Caesar!
Cesar.
Caesar! Ah! Oh! We're just doing bread and we're gonna have grouper barbecued, but I'm just gonna tell you about it because we're gonna lose light in like 10 minutes, so bon appetit, people. But just remember, the bread's gonna be like that crunchy crust, and I'm gonna put oil on it, and it's in this camp stove, and it's gonna get a crunchy crisp, and the fish is gonna be barbecued, and they've even got the fat from the belly, and I'm gonna barbecue that. Oh, magnifique. What's that?
Aioli.
Woohoo! Oh, all right. Okay, people. Okay, as per usual, we judged the light and the sun perfectly, and we're eating now. But I hope you're having a good evening. I bid you good night. Bon appetit. We'll see you next time. Bye. What do you reckon? This is your first Culia de Pollo.
The first proper one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so.
It's scary?
Quite a lot of wind. No.
No?
I think lightning's more scary than the wind.
Well, I'm a bit worried because we've got a reef just behind us. Jesus. It's blowing about 40. Well, it was blowing 40. Now it's about 25 to 30. I think we're fine, but I'll put on the anchor watch. I'm keeping an eye on. There's one island with some lights. I'm just keeping an eye on that. Anyway, it's only going to be like 20 minutes, maybe an hour, 2 hours tops. It's all good. So what was it like?
Well, I was really confused because when I was out, the wind came from one direction, and then after it started, it just turned, and the boat turned too. So we're facing the opposite direction now.
Pretty much. Let's see how much it leans.
Well, yes.
The wind coming on the mast just really leans over. That's what triggered it for me, people. All of a sudden, the computer's almost in my lap. So, well, there you go. This is our first real Culia de Pollo. Sorry. You happy?
Yeah, first real one.
Yeah, excellent.
It's actually almost over, isn't it?
Yeah, it'll be like this for maybe, I don't know. It's only 20, 25 knots. You know, up to half an hour probably.